Hey guys, welcome back to the episode of CS Slurps MSG Mondays. Yeah, Nora, I'm here in French Polynesia in Bora Bora, and guess I made time for making some instant noodles today because I'm hungry and it's super early morning, and these noodles I have never seen before. So today we're going to be trying dal bowl noodle, satay and beef flavor. So I'm stoked to find these. I've never seen these ones before. Yes, I've tried some other dal noodles before, but I've never seen this particular one, which is kind of like a Hong Kong style breakfast item. Satay beef, if you've ever had that before. It's a marinated beef with satay sauce with instant noodles usually, or rice noodles, and it's super, super tasty. I cannot wait to get it started. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright, we got our lovely bowl of noodles here. We're going to open the flap halfway. We have our dried vegetables here, our soup seasoning, and our Hong Kong style satay sauce, along with a fun little fork. I got excited and I started adding in the water too quickly. You're supposed to add in the soup seasoning, all the flakes, and the sauce first. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm doing it backwards by accident because I forgot, and it's been so long since I've done this. So once you've added all these sauce packets and dry packets in there, we're going to close up that flap, make sure it's totally covered, and cook for 3 minutes. Open up the package container, mix it all around, and there you have it. Cannot wait to dig in. Alright, so this is the finished product. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright, these ones were not bad. They're actually really good. You got a dog here. It's a really big bowl of noodles. You got a big serving in that, which is nice when you're hungry like me. I know it's like 7 o'clock in the morning here in Bora Bora, but your girl's hungry and we are not close to any like closed restaurants. But it's tasty. The noodles cook in just 3 minutes. The noodles are nice and silky, slurpy, quick cooking noodles, as you may know. The flake packet is quite large here. You get lots of green onions. I see maybe 2 bits of carrot in there. The 2 sauces you get here, you get regular soup stock. It's a beef base. And then you get the satay sauce, which is actually a mixture of sesame. We got some peanuts in there. Got some roasted shallots, some really yummy stuff. As a person who's eaten a lot of Hong Kong style satay beef noodles, these ones actually taste more like a curry, which is really interesting to me. I love the flavor on this one. It's super tasty. Really mild, I would say, on the spice, but very good. It just doesn't taste like a regular Hong Kong satay beef to me, but it is tasty nonetheless. This one is really cool. It comes with a little fork with it. I always love when it comes with a little fork, but the fork is really small compared to how deep the bowl is, so I'm not sure if that really works or not. But I really enjoy it. Quite a nice flavor to it, and something I haven't seen at home. Dal noodle, if you've ever heard of it, that's where it comes from. Very tasty stuff here. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and give this a 3.75 out of 5. I love the size of this one. It was hella cheap. It was like 85 cents here. I don't know, it just didn't taste authentic to me, but I really enjoyed it. It was a nice little breakfast to have here, and I'm going to go ahead and finish this bowl. If you like this video, don't forget to like me and subscribe in the link down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!